Did you know Black Friday is offering cruise specials? You can get deals, cruising deals on Black Friday. All right, let's just be honest here. Is it really Black Friday when we're seeing deals the entire month, or is it Cyber Monday or Cyber Week or Cyber Month? So, irregardless of how it's looking, and I'm just like taking my water all over the place here. Irregardless of how it is, I have found some cruising deals, and even just last year, I did not realize that cruises offered Black Friday specials. So if you're new to cruising, you probably didn't know this either. So I'm going to share with you some cruising specials that I found that are being offered for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But first, can I just point out, look at my tree back here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about my tree. Look at the topper. I am super excited. Y'all, this is our first year in our little beach home, and I'm super excited to have our first Christmas in our little beach home. And yes, I have my tree up before Thanksgiving. Don't judge me, I like it. Okay, let me get to it. I wanna share with you some great deals that I found. Okay, so MSC, if you cruise MSC, I found that they are starting around $279, but I have seen some like 2 and 3 night Bahama cruises around $150 a person. Now that is in the 2024 year, and the further out you go, it looked like there were some of them that were a little cheaper. So it just kind of depends on what you're looking for and if you're an MSC cruiser. Carnival did not really impress me. I cruise Carnival, so if you watch, you know that that's pretty much my main cruise line is Carnival, and that's because I get so many of my cruises for free, and I only pay taxes and gratuities because I gamble. So Carnival is offering a pre-Cyber sale is what they're calling it, and they're offering 55% off select cruise rates. So I have found some that are anywhere from $200 to $260 for a couple nights stay. And these are just interior and ocean view rooms. So it goes up to around $350, almost $400, depending on the itinerary and how far out you book, if you're wanting a balcony room. So that's Carnival's deal right now, going on through November. So let me know what you think about Carnival. Celebrity Cruises is going on right now, offering their special till December 5th. So if you are a celebrity cruiser, definitely check out Celebrity Cruise Line. They are offering 75% off the second passenger. So if you and your companion are going, your companion will get 75% off the cruise rate. And they are offering up to $300 onboard credit on Celebrity Cruises. Holland America is also offering their special right now till December 1st. And they are offering 30% off on select cruises such as Alaska, the Caribbean, even Europe, New Zealand. So there's a lot of cruises, select cruises within those areas that you can find that you can get that 30% off rate. So if Holland America is your cruise line, let me know what you think about that particular special. Now, Princess Cruises is offering their special till the end of November, which I believe that's like next week. And they are offering 50% off on select packages. So certain inclusive packages that they're offering, such as the Princess Premier, they're offering up to 50% off on some of those packages when you book your sailing. Now, Virgin, they are also at the end of November, but they are offering 30% off all cruises from now, November 2023 to December 2024. So definitely take a look at that. If you're wanting to book Virgin within the next year, you can get 30% off of their regular rates. Royal Caribbean is going on now to November 24th. So that's in a couple of days. And they are offering 50% off shore excursions, select shore excursions, and some amenities on board. So once you book your sailing with Royal Caribbean over the next year, you can get up to 50% off on select shore excursions and select amenities. They are also offering different discounts on dining and Wi-Fi options as well. I hope this was helpful for you, and if you are looking to book a cruise within the next year or give someone a cruise or maybe even gift a cruise to yourself, definitely take a look at some of these cruising deals and leave me a comment. I want to hear what cruising deal that you chose. Bye for now. No. Dobby. People are allowed to walk by outside. Okay. Trying to do a recording here.